Got some packages going out. Let's see what we got. First thing I got going out is this Julie Waters factory sealed DVD. I believe that's here somewhere. Let's see. Here we go. It's called Educating Rita, made by Julie Waters. I got this on Dollar Day at the Gimme 5 store. Didn't know what this movie was about, but whenever I find something sealed, I always get it, and it usually does pretty good for me. It went for $14.99, free shipping. Next thing I got is this WWE Summerslam 2017 Nikki Bella. Let me bring his phone with me because I think I got a couple of different Nikki Bellas. There we go. Nikki Bella. Nikki Bella. That's Brie Bella. It's Becky Lynch. Here we go. Nikki Bella. Nikki Bella went for $21.24 plus shipping. Buys about $25 into that one. Next thing I got going is Queen Wild Berry cleansing bars. I believe I know where those are. Let me set this phone down and get those real. Queen V bar cleansing bars. They both went for $16.06, free shipping. I got these a while back. I'm glad to see these to go. I remember getting these from Gimme 5 on Dollar Day. So these socks to Ben. Me and Ben been having communication problems for some reason. He bought these a little while back, but he had went out of town, then he came back. He sent me the stuff. I didn't get it, and I finally got it. It was my spam box, but he got some nice. I'm trying to slide on a little bit. He got some nice socks, and he actually made these collages himself. He said he wanted them a certain way, and he made them, sent it to me, and I put them on socks. So if you want something done and you want to do it yourself, you can send it to me, and guess what? There you go. Appreciate you, Ben. And I sold some patches. Jitterbug, that one went for $20.99, free shipping. This one went for $44.99 plus shipping. This one went for $49.99 plus shipping. This one went for $17 plus shipping. And this one went for $17 plus shipping. All right, YouTube, thank you for tuning back into the channel. As you can see, sold a couple things. Every time I ship, I usually film it. Not every time, but sometimes. Yeah. And I have an archive of videos and decided to make a what sold. That's usually how I make my what solds, because of course I don't want you to see me packing 2 things, 3 things, 4 things. Nope. Your boy does have days like that. So I put this together and decided to kind of show you what's going out, what's going in. Last time I did that, a lot of people liked it and they said it helped them out a whole lot. So yes, sir. I like it myself. I like watching what solds because I like to see what other people sell. So if I do see it out, I buy it, like I always say in every what sold video. I had a nice weekend. Was gonna put a little bit in my, well, I guess I can show you a little bit. Went to my son's soccer game first.
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Oh. Bring it back, Alan. No. Bring it back. There you go. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, he pushed him.
Oh, really?
Go, Devin. Yo. Oh, yeah. Go, Pat. Go, Devin. Go, Devin. Go, Devin. Go, Devin. You got it. Keep going. Fight for it. Go, Devin. Oh, yeah, Devin. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go. Good job.
Good job, Devin.
Nice, Sandy. Yeah, talk to him, Miller. Talk to him, Miller.
Go boys. Go, boys. Go, boys. Good job.
And then, since it's my son's birthday next week and my birthday's Thursday, we went to a little water park. Had fun.
Yeah.
What are you out here doing? Where we at?
We're at Great Little Lodge.
Great Little Lodge? Huh?
That's big.
What you out here doing?
I'm gonna have to work out by going to my brother.
All right, go ahead. Look at that there like that. There they go. Yeah, there they go, man. There they go, Jose. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a part-time retailer. I go to thrift stores, which look, Look at that. That's Goodwill back there.
Yeah, yeah.
That's Goodwill back there. I'm about to go in there. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, do a little retail arbitrage, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? And if you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up. You know what I'm saying? Whenever I give you that, subscribe, that means I'm off that day and I ain't gotta go to work. If my subscribe is low and not sounding too good, that means I gotta go to work.
Bruh.
What up, YouTube? It's Thursday. Let's see what we got going out. 70s model swing seat. I remember these seats back in the day. Where I say that I was born in '81, but I used to have a bike like this in the '80s, and I used to love it. I just got this. I just listed it yesterday and it sold today for $40 plus shipping. The buyer's about $55 into it. I probably set it too low, but some of the other comps on the ones on here looked a little better than this, and it was going to around 40. So it's whatever. Every time you list something and it sells right then and there, you always think your price is too low. But
yeah.
That was going right, so I'm happy with that.
Yes,
Next
sir.
thing I got going out is some of these. I got 4 of these going out. Buy about 4 of them for $29.98 plus shipping. The buyer's about $36 into it. Got some earrings going out, and I put these on sale. I don't know why. They sold for $3.74 plus shipping. The buyer's about almost $8 into it. I was selling these for like $5.99. I got a bunch of them. I mean, a whole lot. And I just put them on there and put a quality on there, and just been selling them little by little. Don't cost much, just throw them in something, send them out. You know, not a big profit, but it's something, I guess. And I put these on my 25% off sale, which I usually don't do that. And you know how it goes when you put stuff on sale and you forget that you put stuff on sale.
Yeah.
I got another item like that about to come up here soon. Next thing I sold is what is that, Becky Lynch. Let's see if I can find Becky Lynch. Going up through these wrestling figures, selling pretty quick. There's Becky Lynch. Becky Lynch. That's Becky Lynch right there. Becky Lynch sold for $14.44 plus shipping. First class shipping. Cost me about $4 and change to ship that. The next thing is sold, and I hope it's here, because I remember when this sold the other day, and I was like, man, I hope it's over here. It's because I've been having this for a while. I actually sold it on the 25% off sale, and it sold for $22.49. Let me go find it real quick. Here we go. Sorry if I sound like I'm in a rush. I am. I gotta go to work at 2, and I came over here real quick just to ship some stuff off. Those sold for, on my 25% off deal, for $31.49. I put free shipping on them. Got some weight to them. This is probably gonna be a pirate ship because they small and got a little weight.
Yes,
to them.
sir.
Next thing I sold was a patch. These patches is going, y'all. $34.99 plus shipping. Y'all know I'm 37 cents into all these patches, so 37 cents to $34.99. You can't beat that. Feel me? Next thing to go out is a record. I remember getting this record. I got this for Give Me 5 on Dollar Day. It's right here. Brand new, sealed. I don't even know how I'm gonna ship this. It sold for $19.54 plus shipping. Buyer's about $26 into it. Great sale. Last but not least, I'm mad at myself. Not really mad at myself because just let me bring it over here. So some shoes out of my personal collection. Some Lebron Gator King 11s. Just in case y'all want to see them. They're actually pretty good. These are actually All-Stars. They came out All-Star weekend. I think they had in Louisiana. Pretty nice. They glow in the dark, all that good stuff. These sold for $86 free shipping.
Tripping, receiving team number 5, 10-yard penalty, first down.
2 things I did wrong here. I don't know what I did wrong. I priced them wrong on accident. I put free shipping on them on accident. Maybe I thought I did a draft and I hit submit on accident. That's the only thing I could think of, because that's a $200 shoe and it sold for $86, even though it's used though. So I probably would have, I mean, I could have sold it probably for $125. So, you know, I would have made that much more money, but I put free shipping on it too. So that's going to ship for right about $12 or so. So when it's all said and done, I lost out. But it's all good. It happens sometimes. I'm glad they're going to a good home, because I haven't worn them forever. I've been having these for a minute, and that's all that matters, right? It's Monday. Got a couple things going out. First thing I got going out is this LL Bean Main Guide vest. I actually got this a little while back. I got this and a jacket together. Pretty nice ones. I'd never seen anything like it. Let me see. pretty nice. I had never seen anything. Oh, that's actually a jacket. See, I got the jacket. I think I hate about not having my, there we go. My GoPro ain't that wide. That's the jacket, but the jacket is not what's sold. It's the vest. LL Bean Main Guide vest. What did this sell for? Let me put it down so I can get a better look. It sold for $52.49 plus shipping. The buy's about $70 into it. Great sale. I had it listed for a little bit more than that, but I think I ran a 25% off sale. I got that for, what did I get that for? I forgot, but I know I couldn't pay that much for it. Got that and the jacket. Did pretty good at any state sale. Next thing I got going out is a DVD Overcomer. Got 2 of these. Hopefully they in here. Yeah, they are. Here they go. Right here. DVD. Brand new in the package. Got this at Gimme 5 on $1 a day. This went for $11.99. Free shipping. Next thing I got going out is the Rise of Teenage Ninja Mutant Turtle. It's in H. Let me see. I think it's Raphael. Got laying out those as you can see as well. Raphael. Let's see if that's what it was. Yeah, Raphael. This went for a little bit of nothing because I had it on sale. Didn't even know I had it on sale. It went for $10.19 plus shipping. So the Panasonic KX phone used. What did it say it was at? G. Looking G. See if it's in here. You know, just because it says G don't mean it's in G. That's the type of system I run. Let's see. There it goes at the bottom. Right there. If I can get it. There we go. A little cordless set. Just the base and the set. I got this in the state set with some other stuff. I'm probably, I say, $1 or $2 into that. It went for $22.86 plus shipping. Buyer's about, I don't know, I don't feel like adding it up, but great sale. Okay, and I sold some patches. I got a couple patches, and I'm gonna go ahead and, I said I want, every time I sell a patch, I wasn't gonna go through it, but I got some good, some nice ones this time, so I kind of want to shout myself out. You know, that's what I do. Shout out to Dave.
Yes, sir.
First one I sold is a good one. So this one right here, it went for $119 plus shipping. This right here is the highest, I guess I can say, the highest one I have sold so far. One patch, 37 cents into it, it's over $120. You can't beat it, right? Great sale by me, Dave.
Straight up.
Next patch I sold is this from right here. It's actually going to France. He actually emailed me. For some reason, I didn't have my international turned on and asked me if I would ship to France. I said yes. It actually sold for $17.99 plus shipping to France. I'm gonna do a pirate ship straight to France. Great buy. Sold a couple more patches. This one went for $10 and this one went for $20. All right. Sold the vest. Sorry. So this vest went for $19.30 plus shipping. So yeah, that's all I got going out. Just wanted to show you a couple of what sold. Some regular average Joe stuff. I don't be selling $1 million or nothing like that. Nope. But I do sell. I make profit. I'm living a great life. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.